Sema unamtaka na maandamano yenu? Ask them. Oh, listen. Ngani maandamano?
The party leader is insisting that they will be having a strike protest tomorrow.
Daniel Manduku and the people of Nyariva Masava are working tomorrow. I have released a program, and if you look at that program, there is no room for strike. My program is comprehensive, that I'm working for the people who send me to Parliament. Don't forget that I'm a patron of the National Government CDF. And so I must make sure that it is well disbursed, well supervised, and that it is, at the end of the day, people will judge me by that. Here in Nyariva Masava constituency, we are farmers, we are small business people. We are not going to be on strike. We are not going to be on maandamano. Even if I ask my people here, none of them is interested in coming for maandamano. Sema unamtaka na maandamano yenu? Ask them. Oh, listen. Ngani maandamano? You've heard for yourself.
Are you running away from the agitation of skyrocketing living?
You know, if you've gone to school and you will understand the factors that lead to cost of living. You will also understand that this is a historical problem. You will understand that we overborrowed. I sit on the Committee on Public Debt, and I know that this year we have set aside a budget of 1.6 trillion for what we call CFS, Consolidated Fund Services. These are first charge to the economy. And you'll understand this money was borrowed mostly in the last 5 years. What we are doing now is paying for the sins that we committed 5 years ago. Had we been prudent 5 years ago, then we would not be where we are today. And to me, and from where I sit, most of this money was stolen. We need to be told, where did 5 trillion shillings go to? What did it do? Because that kind of money can have a very big impact to everyone's life. From the time that Uhuru Kenyatta took over to the time he left, he borrowed more than 7 trillion shillings. Where is that money? That's where we are paying for our sins of the past. We've got a very big bloated wage bill. And even this money, when it was borrowed, it was not put into factors that produce. You know, we must have an honest conversation. Where did the rain start beating us? And we must be candid. So Manduku, if I put a sufuria on my head and go around the street, will I help my people? Thank you. In the next 4 months, we shall be visiting another 30 schools in the next 3 days. The total number of schools we are going to visit are 36. Most of them have incomplete projects, which have been incomplete for many years, from previous regimes. And as a member of parliament, I said I must finish them to the highest standards. And so I'm personally visiting each school, assessing the extent of construction and any deficiencies there is. And I have a team of mine, which I have picked, which is composed of both technical and knowledgeable people to ensure that these projects are well managed to the highest standards. After that, in this financial year, we shall again focus on the primary schools, because our primary school infrastructure is wanting. Subsequent years, we shall revert back to the high schools. But more than that, I'm also encouraging the teachers to work hand in hand with the parents to ensure that we maintain our lead as the sub-county with the best academic results. I'm also meeting the students, talking to them, encouraging them, buying them bread, and telling them that I will support them, both in class and outside, even on issues of bursaries. Thank you very much.
The party leader is insisting that they will be having a strike protest tomorrow.
Daniel Manduku and the people of Nyariva Masava are working tomorrow. I have released a program, and if you look at that program, there is no room for strike. My program